Hey guys, the mighty midgets back. And today, I'm living back on the highway. Sorry for that zoom in. Really sorry about that. But, sorry for that business zoom in. But I am sad. My mom said I couldn't get this thing, pick it up or anything. But it's so cute. Sorry if that was a zoom in again. I'm really sorry. But the midgets need to see this. What is this, you ask? This is a baby bird. A baby, sorry guys. A baby bird. This thing is so cute. It's still alive and everything, breathing. It's a baby bird. I found it over next to my house. Like, so cool. Hey, kids. What up, dude? This bird is sick. He's so cute. Every time you get near something, it'll pop out like bam. But his mouth open, you open everything. It wants a worm and stuff. But I can't get it. A worm because my mom said I can't touch it, but I want to so bad. Sorry for that. Oh God, this thing is so cute. I just want to can we zoom in that? Yeah. Oh my God, that thing is so freaking cute. But guys, Paxton and Ryland. You guys can we just zoom on in that real quick? Oh my God, that is cute. Oh my freaking God, that was cute. And maybe in another video if I can see this thing again, I will show you guys. But bye, midgets. What a great video.